1, 2, 3, go. Oh, my baby, I love Dennis.
Did it actually? So, Denis Leary, you're a friend of Denis Leary.
Yeah.
Is he not the funniest person?
The funniest person ever.
Ever?
Yeah.
So I got to be on his show for, I don't know, 10 seasons, I think, something like that.
Amazing.
Rescue Me, I played his
One
sister.
of the greatest shows in the history of television.
Maggie Gavin, and you want like a really great story? Is
Yes,
that what
I
you
do.
want?
I do. Come on.
That's maybe, I don't know if it's appropriate. We'll see. He wanted, you know, it was a R-rated show.
Oh,
right?
vividly remember.
By
Yes.
FX. And I play his sister, and I'm a rough alcoholic. You know, I'm that girl.
It sounds like so much fun at the office.
I smoke a lot of cigarettes and stuff. And he goes, Tates. So I've written this scene, and yeah, you know what a is? And I go, because I'm not Maggie Gavin. Like, I'm Tatum. And I'm super weird and prudy and don't know what that is.
And he tries to explain
and he
it
goes,
to you?
you know, like, you know, it's that place between, you know, where you and where you. And I was like, oh, Dennis. I said, I have kids. I can't say that. I would never say that. And I swear, I think he's still mad at me for that, for not saying it.
Hilarious.